The team already had a packing order. Which one do you think it is? Number one or number two?
Number two.
Number two. It's number two. The team already had a packing order. Number two, the group was wandering about the forest. The group was wandering about the forest. One or two?
Two.
Two.
What do you guys think?
I think two.
Two?
I think
Second.
two.
Yeah.
It's one. It's wandering and wondering, right? Wandering means to look around.
Oh, okay.
And wondering means to think about.
Okay.
Wondering.
This one.
Yes. So it's number one. Number three, the rest of the car was too much for Fred to work on. One or two, the rest of the car was too much to work on.
One.
So it's actually one. Sorry. The rest is what is remaining of the car. Rust is the when the metal is exposed to the sun and water and then it changes colors and kind of like turns into this ugly brown. That's rust. Okay. So
Okay.
that's rust with a U. The first one is the rest or the continuing portion of the car. All right.
Okay.
Number four, the cowboy's horse was backing in the stall.
Okay. The first.
I think the cowboy's horse was bucking in the stall.
Okay.
I think it's number two.
Two.
It's a bucking. I said backing, but it's not right. It's number two.
Okay.
I should have read the sentence before. It's number two. It's bucking in the stall. All right. Number five, Ian had a knack for getting good grades. Ian had a knack for getting good grades. What do you guys think?
Two.
One or two?
Two.
Ian had a knack. Yes. So it's number two. A knock, this is a knock. A knack is something like an ability to. Okay? Cool? Yeah?
Yes.
All right. So in this one, I'm going to say the word. I'm going to fill in the blank for you. And you're going to tell me, or you're going to spell out what you think or what you think the correct spelling is in the chat. Okay? And for some reason, again, I cannot see the chat. Let me see if I can figure out. There we are. Come on. Okay, there. All right. So you're going to type out what you think the correct spelling is. After the rain, the canoeist saw puddles. So guys, try to spell out puddles.
Puddles.
Puddle. So after the rain, the canoeist saw puddles. What do you guys think?
It's like the flower, like part of the flower.
No, those are petals. You're right. It's very similar. Puddles of water.
Paddle is
It's water. Yeah, like when it starts to rain on the ground, if there's a hole, it fills up with water. That is a puddle of water.
Can be P-U-D-L-E.
It's Puddles. Puddles.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So Janet put the remainder of the chocolate kisses in the cap. Janet put the remainder of the chocolate kisses in the cap. What do you guys think? Type out the spelling.
The cup.
Cap. So the cap goes on the head.
C-A-P.
C-A-P, that's correct. All right. Jenny's son was caught in the playground after dark. Jenny's son was caught in the playground after dark. Any
C-
ideas? Mhm,
C
C-A-U-C-H-T.
mhm. Exactly. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. All right, you guys are doing great. Fran's buddy needed exercise.
Buddy. B-U-D-D-Y.
Exactly. So it's not body, right? Even though it sounds like it. So we're not talking about Fran's body, although that works too. But we said, right, in our sentence, we said buddy. So Fran's buddy, B-U-D-D-Y. Melanie's shade was provided by a frond. So it's a word that you might not know, but the word is frond. What do you guys can guess kind of what it is. How do you think it's spelled based on the way we're hearing it? Frond.
Front, like F-R-O-N-T.
Exactly.